This is our power bank model H100BW. With 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity, it charges an iPhone X up to 2.7 times. On the front side, it features the digital readout. Push the button on the side panel, it shows the remaining battery capacity. On the front side, there is a raised wireless charging pad. It supports up to 10 watts of wireless output. Press the button on the side panel to activate the wireless charging, and then put a mobile phone on top of it to start charging. There are 3 input-output ports on the top. On the left-hand side is the USB-A port. It supports QC 3.0, which is a popular fast charge standard by Qualcomm. It supports up to 18 watts of output. You will use this port to fast charge Android phones. On the right-hand side is the USB-C port, also called Type-C port, which supports PD 3.0. PD 3.0 is another popular fast charge standard. It supports up to 18 watts of output and input. You will use this port to fast charge your iPhone. It takes less than 30 minutes to charge an iPhone X from 0 to 50%. In the middle is the USB port, also called micro USB port. It supports up to 18 watts of input only. You will use this port to recharge the power bank itself. Let me show you a quick demo of H100BW charging another device at a fast charge mode of 18 watts. I'm using this LED display device to show the charging current, voltage, and the wattage while H100BW is charging another device. The digital readout of this power bank is flashing, meaning H100BW is charging this device at 18.8 watts, so that's fast charge. I want to show you another quick demo of H100BW being recharged at a fast charge mode of 18 watts. I will use the same LED display device. The digital readout of H100BW is flashing, meaning that H100BW is being recharged by another power bank. The LED display is showing that H100BW is being recharged at 19.1 watts, so that's fast charge. H100BW is with a slick and a compact design, but it's robust enough to charge 3 devices simultaneously while itself is being recharged at the same time. Here's a quick demo. H100BW is charging 2 mobile phones with charging cables and wirelessly charging the 3rd mobile phone. That's through the wireless charging pad. The digital readout of H100BW is flashing, meaning it is being recharged by another power bank at the same time.